Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys. How are you?
How are you?
Alhamdulillah. I'm also fine. And you?
I'm fine.
Mashallah. He's fine. He's teacher of this madrasa. He's teacher of Hifzul Quran. And this is my dear teacher. His name is Abdul Hasis. Please, about yourself, please.
I'm Habibur Rahman. I'm the teacher of this madrasa. I'm standing behind in front of the madrasa. You can see my behind this madrasa's wall, and this is made by steel. And I'm the student. I'm took class of English, and I also took class of mathematics. And my students are well. They are respectful to teacher, and they are their behaving is nice, and
Mashallah.
they also kind student. This is
Mashallah. It's enough.